How to create templates for Gmail and why they can make your life easier. Gmail makes it very simple to create and reuse templates to make it easier to send boilerplate communication, so you don't always have to type the same information over and over. I have a number of regular emails that I have to send that contain similar content. If I had to type out those email every time, I would not be able to work with nearly the level of efficiency I require to make it through the day unscathed by countless deadlines. Of course, I could always create a document that houses the various form email I send out, and that would work fine. That's not, however, nearly as efficient as it could be. Also, Gmail will help you write your email. Now, how to access Google and new AI tool. That's why when Google introduced email templates some time ago, I started using them right away. The feature is built in Gmail and is available to both free and paid Google Workspace accounts. For anyone who needs to be able to send the same email over and over, maybe with slight variations, of Gmail templates are exactly what you need. Let me show you how to use them. How to create a Gmail template, what you shall need. The only thing you shall need for this is a valid Google account. That's it. Let's create our first template. 1. Open Gmail and enable templates. Open your default web browser and point it to gmail.com. You shall then need to enable template. To do that, click on the gear icon and select see all settings. Go to the advanced tab and then click enable for templates. Second, compose the template. The next step is to compose the template email. This is done exactly how you would compose any normal email. The only difference being you are creating a template that will be used over and over. Because of that, compose the email with the idea that you are going to use this email for numerous correspondences. You can even add a subject to the template. The one caveat is that even if you add a recipient email address, the recipient will not be saved for the template. Third, Hassan, save the template. Once you have finished composing the template, click the three-dot menu at the right side of the composer toolbar and click template. Save draft as template. Save as new template. 4. Name the template. In the resulting pop-up, give the new template a name and click save. 5. Use the template to use your new template. Compose a new email. Before you type anything, click the three-dot menu, select template, and then select the name of the template you just created. This will fill in the new email with the template. The only thing you then have to do is fill out the recipients and add any extra content to the body of the email. With the email complete, send it away. If you need to later edit the template, you can compose an email with the template in question, edit as needed, and then go through the save process. Only this time you shall select the same template when saving and overwrite the existing version. Also, how to optimize your Gmail inbox layout and why you might want to. And that's all there is creating and using Gmail templates. This feature will save you time and effort when having to create the same email over and over. After I learned this easy email trick, the clutter vanished from my inbox. Is your inbox overflowing with ads, newsletters, and social media updates? You don't need complex rules or multiple accounts to go things under control. Just the magic of one feature that's built into most email solutions. I have had the same email address for more than 2 decades. I use it for just about everything I do. That's really convenient, but it also means my inbox is inundated with advertisements